Hey guys, welcome back to another Aviation video. It's been almost 5 months since I've done one of these, and I think it's about time I get back into the swing of things. I've been very busy with school and applications for college, which have taken up a lot of my time and energy to the point where I honestly just didn't have the motivation to make videos and needed to take a break. But now I'm ready to start fresh again, and I couldn't be happier to be back. Let's get straight into the video. So I'm sure you've heard the news. Boeing has suspended production of its 737 MAX aircraft. Surprising? Not exactly. We know the company has been struggling to stay afloat with its ill-fated single-aisle aircraft, working tirelessly to get it back up in the air in a desperate effort to show the world it's safe to fly on. But it seems like the company has taken one step forward and 2 steps back. After the discussion of a production cut last weekend, they've now escalated the issue to a full-on assembly suspension as it prepares to end a year characterized by accidents, scandals, and a tumbling public perception. The halt will officially commence in January, but the company's CEO Dennis Muilenburg assures it is only a temporary suspension, as they continue to weed out the problems surrounding the jet. And it totally makes sense why they are doing this. Boeing already has a backlog of 400 undelivered aircraft sitting around collecting dust, and they aren't really doing anyone a favor by continuing to pile on to that already significantly high number. After all, why would they continue production of an aircraft if they know it's not going anywhere? It seems even after the plane was initially grounded, the story remains the same. It's going to be another long while until we see the plane back in the sky, and that's assuming if people will be willing to fly on it. President Trump also inquired about the status of the 737 MAX on a call with the company's CEO on Sunday. Prior to any production halt, Trump told him that he had heard the aircraft's production was being shut down permanently, which we now know is not the case. He raised questions regarding his concern for the health of the company and inquired about the status of the software fix being developed for the aircraft. Muilenburg responded that the company already had a fix set in place, but was waiting for testing and approval by regulators. The whole situation really shows just how deeply the MAX crisis has shaken one of the country's most influential companies, as well as the nation's largest exporter. It raises further questions pertaining to the US's economy, as well as the aerospace manufacturers who supply components to the MAX aircraft. But I'd also like to know what you guys think of this whole situation. Do you think the aircraft has been doomed from the start and this is just the first step to the production season completely? Or would you say that this is just yet another bump in the road to getting the aircraft back and fully operational? Let me know in the comments section below. Anyway, that's it from me today. A bit of a short one, but I promise there will be lots more coming your way in the next few weeks. As always, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all very soon.